today we're going to be making slime with beads. Let's dig into our materials. So this is our Elmer's glue, this is our baking soda, this is our saline solution, this is our bowl and measuring tools. These are the beads that we're going to be putting in our slime. Okay, so here's the recipe. We're going to dig into it a little bit more. Hi, so now we're going to do our Elmer's glue. Once this half cup is full, I'm going to pour it into that thing right there. Okay, so now I have my half cup of water, and now I'm going to pour it into this clear glue in the bowl, and now I'm going to mix it up. Now I'm going to put in a half teaspoon of baking soda, if I can get it, that is. Okay, I got it. And then, now I'm going to stir it. Alright, and this is my baking soda, glue, and water mixture. And now, we got to put in, this is my tablespoon of solution. This is the final thing, guys, before I put in my beads. Yeah, this is the final thing. Oh, I'm going to mix it with my hands. So now, what we're going to do is, once I get this all off my hands, I'm going to add in the beads. All in. Oh, please. Oh, this is so fun now. This is so cool. My first crunchy slime I've ever had. This is my crunchy slime. You had fun with me. I hope you liked this slime. It's so cool. See you next time. Bye.